Okay, nice and easy, simple chicken curry. We're going to start off with some chicken thighs, skin off, bone in. I've got 6 of them there. 1 cup of onion, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next up, we're going to add some salt, fresh chili. I'm putting mine in whole, you can chop them if you want. And then the big 4, teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander. 1 cup of tomato. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. Little bit of oil, few tablespoons to bring it all together. And you can see I've got my glove on, we're going to give that a little mix. Straight into the pan, medium heat. We're going to go just for 4 to 5 minutes. You can see we've got some moisture from the tomato there. What we're going to do now is we're going to add 1 cup of water. Stay on the medium heat. Let it go now for about another 7 or 8 minutes. That's fantastic. Really, really simple. Bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Job done. Really, really easy. You can do it with chicken with bone or without. Like I say, I've used chicken thigh. That's it. Lots of love.